Same-sex marriages in Western countries. Gender plays the most significant role in traditional marriages. Usually, it is believed that a healthy, religious and socially accepted marriage can be done between a man and a woman, but due to several reasons, the view has been broken. Now, same-sex marriages has become a normal practice in contemporary society. Moreover, various countries in the world have legalized the status of sex marriages. Western countries have played the most significant role when it comes to providing fundamental civil rights to gay, lesbian and other transgender. Here in this article, we'll throw light on how USA and other Western countries have changed the legal status of gay marriage. Started protecting rights. One of the key reasons behind the massive popularity of same-sex marriage is that Western countries have introduced various laws to protect rights of these people. These were Western and European nations that first started protecting the fundamental rights of people in the same-sex marriage. It is right to say that even today, various countries consider gay marriages as an illegal act. Many societies in the world assume that making sex relation with an individual with same is not only a crime but also a threat to society. Legal acceptance. Western countries have first given the legal acceptance to gay marriages. It is a fact that if we want to make our world a better place to live in, we need to concentrate on protecting the rights of every individual. Since LGBT people also live in our society, it is the duty of our government to protect their social, political and religious rights. Governments or ruling powers throughout the world should legalize same-sex marriages just like various Western countries. What about the view? However, many Western countries have given proper protection to this type of marriage, but still there are few countries and even states in USA that don't want to give it a social and legal acceptance. However, despite of the fact, most of the key Western countries have an open and broad opinion regarding the same-sex marriage. Hence, it can be concluded that modern world is accepting the truth of same-sex marriage as most of the Western countries did. Financial status. There is no doubt that money plays the most significant role when it comes to lead a happy and hurdle-free life. Thus, Western countries have given proper financial support and legal rules so that people in this group can strong their financial position. However, there is great roar regarding to incomes when it comes to gay marriage, but still many governments in Western nations are introducing different sort of rules to help LGBT people to lead a desired lifestyle. Western countries provide exceptional benefits to LGBT marriages. People intent to go with the same-sex marriage can easily get social recognition in Western countries. There are flexible rules and laws to protect and help LGBT people invest. After civil war in USA, society started discussing about the social status of gay marriages.